Today I want to talk a little bit about changes in global trade. What we're seeing is a limitation in the expansion of global trade alignments and global trade arrangements. We expect to see over the next decade some retrenching, some shrinking of key supply chains around the world, a little more nearshoring, a little more onshoring. This doesn't eliminate globalization. This is not a repudiation of global trade, or even in some cases of labor arbitrage. But what it really is a change in just how far these types of trade arrangements and supply chains can go. One of the implications to think about as we look at that is we're seeing at the end of the last decade and into the beginning of this decade a real expansion in port development and infrastructure around the world. And if we do start to see a slowdown in the expansion of global trade arrangements, then by the end of the decade, we should also start to see some pretty significant stress at some of these key ports as we see oversubscription of port development.